Love these sandpipers. And by the way, the Monsanto Tribunal is happening. You can tune in. Just see Monsanto Tribunal on Facebook, and they'll give you all the links to register to tune in. Crimes against humanity, and of course, crimes against the environment. Monsanto Tribunal has started. This is crimes against humanity right here. Our ocean, our wildlife, your aquifers, your everything. Please, if you love this, you would certainly go organic, and only organic, or then again, mostly organic. Greetings from here. Bye for now, loves. People say, why go organic? Chemical, pesticide, fungicide, insecticide runoffs running right into all waterways, your aquifers, your lakes, your rivers, your streams, of course here, my home, the ocean.